Hey you! Welcome to our essential guide on how to start an LLC in Nebraska. If you're eager to transform your brilliant idea into a thriving business, you've come to the perfect place. We're here to really guide you through each phase of the process, from the initial documentation to celebrating your big launch in an easy to follow and comprehensive manner. Before we delve into the specifics though, it's crucial to understand that you can form an LLC independently or use an LLC formation service. We strongly suggest considering an LLC formation service, especially if you're navigating the business landscape for the first time. Why, you might wonder? Well, it streamlines the entire process, ensures adherence to all of Nebraska's state regulations, and offers invaluable peace of mind. Plus, these services do come at more reasonable prices than you might expect. Don't forget to check out the link in our video description for one of the most reliable LLC formation services featuring a variety of plans to suit your financial budget. Now, let's focus on the steps for establishing an LLC in Nebraska. Here's what you need to do. Step 1. Name your Nebraska LLC. Great, you're set to launch your dream business in Nebraska. The first crucial step now is picking a name, but not just any name. It should align with your brand and leave a lasting impression. Your business name isn't just merely a label, it's your first interaction with potential customers. In Nebraska, your chosen name must be unique and include LLC, L.L.C. or limited liability company at the end. Got some names already in mind? Well, excellent, you're a step ahead. Your next step now is to check their availability. For this, you'll need to visit the Nebraska Secretary of State's website. We've included the link in the video description for easy access. Once you've found an available name, it's a smart move now to reserve it with the state. This can be done through the business name reservation process on the same website. Step 2. Select a registered agent. A registered agent is an essential part of setting up your LLC. A registered agent acts as your LLC's official point of contact for legal documents and government correspondence. In Nebraska, your registered agent can be either an individual resident of the state or a business entity authorized to conduct business in Nebraska. It's crucial that your registered agent is available during normal business hours to receive important documents on behalf of your LLC. When choosing a registered agent, consider reliability and accessibility as massive factors. You can also opt for professional registered agent services, which can offer additional peace of mind and ensure compliance with state requirements. Need assistance in finding the perfect fit to be your registered agent? No worries, we're here to help. Take a look at the link in the video description for recommendations on top registered agent services available in Nebraska. Step 3. Determine your management structure. In the world of LLCs, there are two main management styles: member managed and manager managed. Think of it as choosing between a hands-on DIY project or hiring out a contractor. In a member-managed LLC, it's all about teamwork. The members, that's you and your partners, roll up your sleeves and manage the day-to-day operations. It's perfect for smaller crews where everyone wants a say in how things are run. Then there's the manager-managed LLC. This is where you bring in the pros, the non-member employees or managers to handle the daily operations. It's like having a dedicated captain for your ship. And yes, a member can also be a manager, but they'll need to collaborate with at least one non-member manager. Small team with everyone involved, member managed might just be your jam. Larger group with some preferring to stay in the background, manager managed could just be your best bet. In Nebraska, your LLC is automatically member managed unless you specify otherwise in your certificate of organization. So think carefully about what works best for your business. Step 4. File a certificate of organization with the Nebraska Secretary of State. Once you've taken care of the initial steps now, it's time to make your LLC official in Nebraska. This is done by filing the Certificate of Organization with the Nebraska Secretary of State. This certificate of organization is a formal document that officially establishes your LLC in the eyes of the state. This document requires some key pieces of information, including the name of your LLC, the address of your principal place of business, the name and address of your registered agent, and the names of the LLC's organizers. We've included the link in the video description for easy access. You can file the Certificate of Organization online or by mail. The Nebraska Secretary of State's website provides an online filing option, which is often the fastest and most convenient method. The filing fee for the Certificate of Organization must be paid at the time of submission. Filing the Certificate of Organization is a critical step in the formation of your LLC, as it is the document that establishes your business in the state of Nebraska. After filing, you'll receive a confirmation and your LLC will be officially recognized by the state of Nebraska. Step 5. Draft an LLC operating agreement. The fifth step in forming your LLC in Nebraska is drafting an LLC operating agreement. While this step is not a legal requirement in Nebraska, it is highly recommended for the successful and structured operation of your LLC. An LLC operating agreement is a crucial document that outlines the ownership structure and operating procedures of your LLC. It serves as a roadmap for how your business will run and helps in managing internal operations. This agreement should detail the members' percentage interest in the LLC, their rights and responsibilities, the allocation of profits and losses, and the procedures for bringing in new members or handling departures. You can draft an operating agreement by yourself or use an online template. Or you can simply seek legal assistance to ensure that it covers all necessary aspects and complies with Nebraska's state laws. Need a hand drafting one? Well, we've got you covered. Check out our complimentary operating agreement template in the video description. It's a solid foundation, but do keep in mind that every business is unique. You may need to tweak it and customize to suit your specific needs. Step 6. Get an employer identification number, also known as EIN. Your LLC needs an employer identification number from the IRS, especially if you plan to have employees. It's also necessary for opening a business bank account and handling federal and state taxes. You can apply for an EIN for free on the IRS website. It's a very straightforward process that can be completed online. Step 7. Obtain business licenses and permits. The next step in establishing your LLC in Nebraska involves obtaining the necessary business licenses and permits. This step is crucial to ensure that your business operates legally and in compliance with state and local regulations. The specific licenses and permits you need depend on various factors, including your business's location, industry, and the nature of its activities. For instance, businesses in healthcare, construction, food services, or those that sell certain products may have specific regulatory requirements. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to a comprehensive guide on how to obtain business licenses in Nebraska. Step 8. Choose your tax status. Now that your LLC in Nebraska is almost up and running, it's time to decide on your tax status. This is a crucial decision as it will determine how your business is taxed at the federal level. You have a few options here. An LLC can be treated as a disregarded entity, a partnership, or a corporation for tax purposes. Each option has its own set of implications. For example, being taxed as a corporation might involve more paperwork, but it could offer tax benefits under some circumstances. To make an informed decision though, it's wise to consult with a tax professional. They can really guide you through the complexities of each option and help you choose the best tax status for your LLC based on your specific circumstances. Remember, your tax status is not set in stone. As your business grows and evolves, you may find it beneficial to switch to a different tax classification. That's it. You've successfully navigated the steps and your Nebraska LLC is now officially formed. Congratulations on reaching this significant milestone in your entrepreneurial journey. You've turned your vision into a legitimate business ready to make an impact. If you found this guide helpful, please do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more insightful content like this, Your support really does help us create more resources for upcoming and aspiring business owners just like yourself. Don't forget to hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on our future videos. We're here to help you through the business journey, giving you tips, tricks, and essential know-how to help you make your venture a true success. Thanks again for watching, and here's to the success of your new LLC in Nebraska.